Embarking on the journey of machine learning is an exciting endeavor. It's a field filled with immense potential and rewarding challenges. Before diving into complex algorithms and models, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation. This entails grasping the fundamental prerequisites that underpin the magic of machine learning. Mathematics forms the bedrock of machine learning. A firm understanding of linear algebra is crucial for comprehending data representation and manipulation. Calculus provides the tools to navigate the intricacies of optimization algorithms, essential for training machine learning models. Probability and statistics empower you to reason about data uncertainty and make informed predictions. Programming is the language through which you interact with machine learning algorithms and bring your ideas to life. Python has emerged as the lingua franca of machine learning thanks to its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Familiarize yourself with Python syntax, data structures, and control flow mechanisms. Don't be intimidated by these prerequisites. There are countless online resources, courses, and textbooks available to guide you through these foundational concepts. Embrace the learning process, and you'll be well on your way to mastering machine learning. With a solid foundation in place, you're ready to delve into the core concepts of machine learning. At its heart, machine learning is about enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This learning process can be broadly categorized into two main types: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled datasets where both the input features and desired outputs are provided. The goal is to learn a mapping function that can accurately predict outputs for unseen inputs. Common supervised learning tasks include classification, where the goal is to assign inputs to predefined categories, and regression, where the goal is to predict a continuous output variable. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled datasets. The algorithm's task is to uncover hidden patterns, structures, or relationships within the data. Clustering, where the goal is to group similar data points together, and dimensionality reduction, where the goal is to reduce the number of input features while preserving essential information, are prime examples of unsupervised learning techniques. Evaluating the performance of machine learning models is crucial to assess their effectiveness and make informed decisions about model selection and optimization. Various metrics are used depending on the specific task at hand. For classification tasks, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are commonly employed. For regression tasks, mean squared error, MSE, root mean squared error, RMSE, and R-squared are widely used. Understanding these core concepts and evaluation metrics is paramount to building a strong intuition for machine learning and effectively applying it to real-world problems. Having grasped the fundamentals of machine learning, you can now venture into the fascinating realm of deep learning. Inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, deep learning algorithms leverage artificial neural networks to learn complex patterns from vast amounts of data. Neural networks consist of interconnected nodes organized in layers. Each connection between nodes has an associated weight, representing the strength of the connection. During training, the network adjusts these weights to minimize the difference between its predicted outputs and the actual target values. This process is made possible by optimization algorithms like gradient descent. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, excel in image recognition tasks. They employ specialized convolutional layers that can automatically learn hierarchical representations of spatial features. Recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, on the other hand, are well suited for sequential data such as text and time series. They possess memory units that allow them to retain information from previous inputs, enabling them to capture temporal dependencies. Transformers have emerged as a groundbreaking architecture in natural language processing. They leverage a mechanism called attention, which allows the model to focus on specific parts of the input sequence that are most relevant to the task at hand. This attention mechanism has revolutionized tasks like machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. To work with these powerful deep learning models effectively, familiarity with specialized tools and frameworks is essential. TensorFlow and PyTorch are two leading deep learning libraries that provide a rich set of functionalities for building, training, and deploying deep neural networks. Mastering machine learning extends beyond theoretical knowledge and algorithmic understanding. To build practical and impactful applications, you need to develop proficiency in data handling and model deployment. Data handling encompasses the entire life cycle of data, from acquisition and pre-processing to transformation and feature engineering. Libraries like Pandas provide powerful tools for data manipulation, cleaning, and analysis. Data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn enable you to gain insights from data through informative charts and plots. Once you've trained a machine learning model, the next step is to deploy it into a production environment where it can be accessed by users or integrated into existing systems. Model saving and loading mechanisms allow you to persist your trained models and reuse them later without retraining. Web services provide a convenient way to expose your machine learning models as APIs or application programming interfaces that can be accessed over the internet. Flask and Django are popular Python web frameworks that facilitate the creation of APIs for model serving. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure offer machine learning services that streamline the deployment process and provide scalable infrastructure for hosting your models. By mastering these practical skills in data handling and model deployment, you can bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world applications, unlocking the true potential of machine learning to solve complex problems and drive innovation across industries.